Love is a beautiful thing. We all can attest to that. But one thing is finding love and finding a business partner in one person. And that's what happened to Susan Kihika, the governor of Nakuru. Today I bring to you the story of Sam Mburu, Susan Kihika's billionaire husband, with 62 flats in Kitengela and 43 flats in Embakasi. Nakuru Governor Susan Kihika is arguably one of the fastest rising and most powerful female politicians in Kenya. Kihika has been serving in the government of Kenya in various capacities since her return to Kenya about 10 years ago from the United States, where she studied and practiced law. Her return to Kenya led her to the love of her life, businessman Sam Mburu, whom they tied the knot in 2020 in a ceremony that was graced by President William Ruto, then the Deputy President of Kenya. Kihika and Mburu reportedly met during the 2013 general elections, and the businessman has since been at the forefront of Kihika's political career by bankrolling her campaigns. The businessman reportedly owns multi-million properties, notably in the lucrative real estate sector. He has heavily invested in rental and commercial properties in Kitengela, Embakasi, and Nakuru. Media reports have it that Mburu owns 62 flats in Kitengela, 43 rental flats in Embakasi, Airport North Road, and 15 rental houses in Nakuru. The businessman, who also owns 6 luxury cars, is said to be expanding his real estate investment to other locations. Other known assets under his name include Landmark Freight Services, which is based in Mombasa and has 2 branches in China. The company reportedly makes 10 million Kenyan shillings in monthly revenues. The journey to owning the multi-million properties was, however, not a walk in the park for Mburu, who started off as a soft drinks distributor in Nakuru. He was raised in Solahi, Nakuru, where his parents had a charcoal burning business. These honed his business skills inspired him to venture into business. In 2003, he tied the knot with his ex-wife Beatrice Wanjiku, and they were blessed with 2 kids. The marriage, however, ended a few years later, leading to court tussles. Mburu filed a petition to have custody of the children, but his wife Beatrice also petitioned the court to award her custody and 757,000 as monthly maintenance for 2 years. In her affidavit, she said that Kihika mistreated the kids and Mburu was never present when the kids were with him. She added that she highly contributed to Mburu's wealth and therefore deserved a handsome cut-off. I have been part and parcel of my husband's wealth. Until the year 2010, I have a steady job as a personal assistant to the managing director of the new Kenya Cooperative Creameries, taking home a package of 130,000 a month. My husband persuaded me to leave my job and return and run the business of selling electrical goods in a shop along River Road. She stated the court ruled that the businessman should provide 597,000 monthly maintenance to Wanjiku to cover food expenses and other related costs. Yeah, that's what I think you should know in regards to Kihika's husband, Mr. Sam Mburu. Unaambiwa ukitafuta mapenzi, tafuta mtu ambaye ana akili na pia anaweza grow your career. And that's what Kihika did. The husband has been a major contributor to a political career. Na sasa ndipo tunasema anavuna matunda ya jasho yake. That's what's up. Make sure una subscribe ndani ya kada ya Kirenyaga YouTube channel. My name is Felix Mwenda.